it's your boy Sabotaged here, and today we're going to unbox and set up the Sonos home theater system. Let's get right into it. And if you're looking to start with Sonos, you could get the Sonos Beam, but my best recommendation is getting the Sonos Arc. It has the best sound quality and is the main thing for your home theater. It's also the most expensive one. The beauty of the Sonos ecosystem is that you don't have to buy all the speakers at once, and you can just keep adding more when you're ready for it. And now for our next topic, the Sonos Subwoofer. It'll give you that bass which normally you don't get. This particular one is a Generation 3, which is the newest Sonos subwoofer. And lastly, we have the Sonos One speakers. They are to be placed at the rear, which will give you that surrounding sounds. In particular, these are the Gen 2, which are the latest ones. Around all the sets, all of this will set you back about 3,000 Australian dollars. Since we purchased the whole set, we got it discounted. Now, let's get into unboxing. To unbox the Sonos Arc. First, I have to call out, that design is really good. They actually put the arc on the front so you can visualize what it will look like on your table. I also have to say, I actually love how you have to actually unlock. You have to unlock. So you get this sticker. Just love that initiative on how you can just unlock your Sonos. Never seen this type of work. You lift the case off. Like cardboard, and then they have a sticker, and we have the arc itself. We put a sticker. Arc certified. Wow. So that's actually what it looks like. Wow, that's what the white Sonos Arc looks like. Wow, that's amazing. White on white. That's amazing. And we have more. In the box, we have power cables. Welcome. Let's get started. So that's an instruction manual on how to set it up. Over here we've got HDMI cable to connect to your TV, and we've also got the power cable. I love this unboxing. And here we have the cables. So we have the power cable here. Power, it goes here. Then we also have HDMI. Oh wow, they even have an Ethernet cable over there. That can be used for your internet, but I wouldn't recommend using it and just using your wireless internet. Plug these in. Here. There we go. Now for the HDMI cable, let's plug it in. And now we just have to put these into the wall and we can start powering this up. And now we're going to power on our Sonos. 3, 2, 1. Our Sonos is now on. You need to download the app from either the Google Play Store or the App Store, and get the app. It's Sonos, and then you sign in, input your details, and then you have to find the my product area, and then you need to register your product with your phone, and then you're all ready to go. We're about to do that, so we'll see you in a sec. And we have an update. The Sonos Arc is officially set up. I found it really interesting. So the phone had to connect to the Arc had to connect to the TV. How it worked was, in the app, you had to set it up. The phone played a noise, a tune to the Arc played another tune back. Then the phone, that was the phone's two-factor authentication. It was very special. And then it sent a pin, and then we got the phone to be paired to the Arc. Then the Arc to the TV, there was actually an optical wire which you had to connect, but in the HDMI port, you actually had to connect it into the HDMI Arc port, and that's how you would set it up. And I have a demo of one of my videos that is on YouTube, which you should go check out. Here's the sound demo. Go check this out on my channel. It's like it felt like, for me, going from 2D to 3D. And another one. Been so exciting. Now for unboxing the sub. So we have Whoa. Sub is 16 kilos. It's warning you when you pick it up. This one, you get the cables on top. Same instructions. What's that? Ooh. And again we have the cable. I think that's it. Setting up is easier than anything. You literally just have to plug in the power cable, and you also have an Ethernet cable over there. Please note, it is on the bottom, and it should register in the app, and you're good to go. So we'll see you in a few minutes. This was incredible. When I set up the subwoofer and I plugged the cable in, it said this on my phone. There is a subwoofer nearby. Do you want to connect it? I tapped yes, and then it said, please tap your phone on the flashing lights here. There is the light one for the flashing, and then I did so, and then it said on my phone, alright, we are registering the subwoofer, and it was incredibly easy and simple. And here is a quick demo of the bass one. It's actually incredible. It feels like an earthquake. Like if you go here, you can literally feel it. It feels like an earthquake. And now for our final but most essential for rear sound is the One. So it's basically just like the unboxing, feels just like the subwoofer. It's weird because that one, they were white, black, and now this one's like beige. What's this? Some random piece of cardboard. One. Just this one. Then we have that. Underneath that, same as the subwoofer, we've got our cable, except it's tied up this time. See what the one looks like. Wow, that looks like a tiny subwoofer. It actually looks like if that and that had a kid, it would look like this. It would be one. And that's one. And then we'll unbox the other. That's like when you refer to it as the one. So we've got that connection there and power. It's very interesting. It's nice. And we'll see you shortly for our final test. This was so easy. Even a kid could do this work. I am a kid and I did it. And it was just like the subwoofer to set up. It gives you that surround sound, so it feels like you're immersed in the world. Also, if it shows that it's in a separate room, that's fine. Just wait for it to like sense your location and register, and when it registers, it will show it. So don't be worried if that happens. And here's a quick demo of the surround sound system.
Left front, right front, center, left side surround, right side surround, left rear, right rear, left front height, right front height.
So now you saw that. That was really cool. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Sabotage. Peace.